Привет! Welcome to Grigori's Guns.
Grigori's guns.
You come here, you get best weapon in all of Quad State area. I show you some of my favorites. Come right this way, right this way. Come. X. Pick that is. Poker. Brother. Smush. Club, I guess? The claw! Jewish sword! Good weapon! Many caliber, lots of carbine, great gun barrel, piping done by my cousin.
Bro, where'd he go? We're not done yet. What?
What's your plate? Zapushki! Unbreakable! For the Alamo! Zatushki! Stovaleski!
What? What's that sound?
Where the fuck you going? Come back! Where do you go?
Oh,
You can make look badass?
do you think he knows when to go? I mean, I'm not sure if he knows. Action! Action!
Tell me when. So yes, you have Yeti infestation, too much of ethnic minority, or you get embroiled in war between rival factions. Well, there's only one place to go. Down to Grigori's Guns. Don't forget the hand, Sam.
Vavushka! Crucifix of Jesus! You like? Well, come by. Imbued with holy power and consecrated by Orthodox Archbishop. Perfect for warding off pesky Rusalka or angry Vodnik. Expert power from this wonderful cross. You can only get at one spot, Grigori's Guns. 50% off until the end of the month.